welcome back. All right, so today I want to show you what you need from the Dollar Tree right now, at least my personal opinion. All right, let's get started. If you can find these, I only see one, but if you can find this, this is thick, and you could square these together, and they have long ones. They have them in darker colors. Oh my gosh, if you can find these, grab these. These are not going to be here long, because you can piece these together and make yourself whole carpet for your garage, for your basement. You can find those. These are another good one right now. I like the shape of it. You can leave it as plastic and use it as an ice bucket, but it's something cute and it has that modern look to it, and it's only $1.25. These right now, if you can find these, get these. They are great and they stand straight up like that, or if you want, you can put them on the side like that. Spring is coming, and they have all the spring colors for baskets, for bins, all the different things. They have small baskets, they have medium-sized tubs, they have the bigger tubs, all in the spring colors out right now. So if you need some, grab some. So first thing, when we come in, we see these plates. Oh, don't you love it? And they have the matching cups. So these plates, these cups, $1.25. I think these are awesome. If you're looking for a new set right now, if you're looking for garden stuff, Dollar Tree is the way to go with garden supplies. They have so many, so affordable, and a lot of them could be used for DIYs also. But if you want a garden fence, if you need water, if you need gardening tools, just all your gardening stuff, so reasonably priced, you can get here at the Dollar Tree. You can get seeds, you can get so many different things, and like I said, a lot of these things too, good for DIYs. So if you're looking for gardening stuff, go down to the Dollar Tree and pick you up some. They have a good variety. Of course, the Dollar Tree is good for seasonal stuff. They have all of the Easter things out right now. They also have St. Patrick's Day. But if you're looking for seasonal things, Dollar Tree is a great place to get those. Oh look, more gardening stuff. So that whole row of gardening stuff. And then more gardening stuff here. So flowers, of course. But I'm telling you, if you need something for your garden, if you're a gardener, come on down. What is this? You don't need this. God, isn't that cute? I never saw that. They have a small reef. You don't need it, like I said, but it's cute. These mirrors, I love these mirrors. They're only $1. Not easy to find though. If you can find a mirror, because that's what a mirror is, a mirror. As long as it doesn't do that fun house look. A mirror, a decent size. Cute little ones for your kids' rooms. Those are cute. So if you're looking for this little mirror decor, I think if you can find it, get it. Sometimes they also have a bigger mirror, but I don't see it right now. These, okay. I did a DIY with this one, but this, if you can find, a lot of Dollar Trees a lot of times don't have them, but these, because even if you're not into the color, you can paint this and have it be the color that you want. So if you're looking for something just temporary, something that just to give a change in your backsplash, something like that, those are great. These right here, these are supposed to be wallpaper. These are good drawer liners, stuff like that. So if you shelf liners, if you want to give it a little something different, now they have these, which are cute too, and different ones. These, it looks like the metal tiles. You can even do this on your ceiling. I don't know how many it would take to do it on your ceiling, but you can do those on your ceiling. So these are all great if you're looking to do a little change. And like I said, for these, you can definitely paint them. You can definitely paint them if you don't like the color that they are. Okay, I saw these online. If you're looking for a security camera, we have somebody throws out their dog poop. Like, it's in a bag though. in the garbage on the side of the house. I would like them to think that I'm watching them because it drives me crazy. These good little lights, like they have a lot of little lights, what have you and stuff. Right now, crazy weather, different things. It's always good to have different lights. And then this one has a light right there, a light right here, and it's hangable. So this would be a good one for, you know, emergency situations, to keep in your car, different things like that. If you need for, the Dollar Tree is good for that. You know, they also have all of the other little supplies and stuff like that. But I love those. These water pitchers, I like. It doesn't like they come with a top though. These come with a top, but not this one. But I like the colors. Something for the summer if you're doing a lot of outdoor stuff. Oh no, they have the tops. See, so they have the tops too. So that's awesome for $1.25. Socks. So if you're like me, my daughter, she goes through so many socks. 3 for $1.25. It's good because if you're going to be losing them, and they have such a variety of socks, from kid socks, men's socks, women's socks, baby socks. Let's get you some socks. If you're looking for toys for your kids to play outside, because the season is changing and it's about to get warm out, they have a lot of little toys that they can use for outside. I love the bat because it's not, you see I'm squeezing it, it's not flimsy like that where it, you know, dents in. I hate when the bat does that. So that's a good one also. At any time you're gonna want, if you're looking for dishware and things like, at any time if you want dishware, Dollar Tree is always an awesome place to go for dishware. And over the years they have stepped up their dishware. These pieces like this, they have so many different shapes now, different colors, different styles. So you're always gonna want to stop by your Dollar Tree and you can get you a set of dishes rather inexpensively that you can use over time. These mugs, I like these. And how many ounces are these? I don't know, but that's a good mug. They're margarita glasses. This is a hefty glass for $1.25, and summer is coming. And you want to do margaritas, you want to do parties, you want to do different things. The glassware is great. Love the margarita glasses. These are little storage pieces, and you see how they have them in different designs. You can get swirly, that. They have those in different designs. That's good. But like barware glasses, you can't tell them anything. Look at that. These, I think I've shown these before, but I use these in my kitchen to store certain food items in the cabinet, and they work great, and they're see-through so you can see what's in there if you don't want to label them. Those work awesome. Like I said, with the basic needs, the oven, look at this, a silicone pot holder, all in basic colors, which I love a good basic color because it just goes with everything. So you have white, red, black, blues, browns, all neutrals that you can put with any decor, and they're $1.25. So grab you these. All right, so that was it for the Dollar Tree, for what I think you need right now from the Dollar Tree. The must-haves that I just think are perfect for every home. Let me know what you thought and what are your basic needs that you always get from the Dollar Tree.